Good morning everyone. My name is Anusen. Today I am going to start accountancy for class 11 and the first chapter is introduction of accounting. First thing we have to know about the accounting before we starting this chapter because we must know what is accounting and this is the theory part. Yeah, I know this is not very interesting for you but you must to know about all the things because in future when you will prepare a balance sheet journal or financial statement whatever, so that time this is very needed for all. You should know all the things. So first thing is that meaning of accounting. What is the meaning of accounting? Accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transaction and events which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the result therefore. And this definition given by American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. What is the meaning of this definition? In the first line, you can see accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing. So first thing is that accounting is doing the recording. It means when the transaction is done. So in accounting they doing first recording. After recording they doing classifying and after that the summarizing all the things in a significant manner. Okay, in a systematic way, in a significant manner and in terms of money. Otherwise in accounting we will not record anything which things is not related to the money. Okay, and then transaction and events which are in part of part at least of a financial character. Okay, all the transaction and events at least related to the financial character. Okay, and after that we interpreting the result therefore. So this is the whole process we are doing in accounting. First, in a short way you can understand better. First, accounting is an art of data collection, summarizing, analyzing and reporting. How? In the beginning we know the accounting is a art. How to art? First, in accounting we are collecting the data. Okay, after that we are summarizing in separate manner. After that we are analyzing and create a report. In monetary terms, to information about the business. In monetary term, the information about the business. Why we are saying continuously monetary terms? Suppose that in business there are lots of things we are purchasing as a raw material, as a assets. Okay, but their quantity will be different. Maybe it will be kg, liter, okay, pieces. So suppose that we are taking this type of units, so it will be very difficult to record all the things. So that's why we are recording in accounting only monetary things. Okay, so how we learn all the things in short way, that is CASAR. Okay, it means classifying, summarizing, analyzing and reporting. This is accounting. Okay, so this is all about the meaning of accounting. Now we are going to discuss about the characteristic of accounting, but it will be better if we will learn by the flow chart. So now I'm showing you the flow chart. This is the flowchart of characteristic of accounting. It will be very understood when you are presenting everything or anything in a flowchart. Okay, so first, that is characteristic of accounting. First thing is that accounting is an art as well as science. Okay, now we are discussing about the accounting, so that time we also learn the accounting is an art and as well as science. How that the accounting is a science based on principles and rule. What is principle? Day by day you can understand better what is principle, what is rule, because in accounting now there is a golden rule, so we are following the rules and principle while doing the accounting transaction. Okay, and why we are saying accounting is a art? Because it's a creative, it's a depend on you how to you are create your account, but based on principle and rules. You can't leave. Okay, and judgment, because this judgment on your how to you are interpreting the datas. Okay, so first character is accounting is an art as well as science. Okay, how to art? Because it is creative and judgment. And how to science? Because based on principles and rules. Okay, come to next character, that is recording in terms of money. We also discuss, because many more items, many more things, that is we are purchasing in different units, kg, liter, pieces, so it will be very difficult to record all the things in different units. So we in accounting only we are recording in terms of money. Okay, after that, after recording we are classifying all the things. Okay, because all the transaction we are maintaining in a systematic manner, but we don't know how to classify. Okay, so first we classify to know. Suppose that we are purchasing something from one person, and we are purchasing something for another person, but in the terms of recording we are just recording all the things continuously, but we don't know suppose I'm taking a name, that is Bholu and Somu. So some product we are taking from the Bholu and some product we are taking the Somu, but in the recording term we are just entered all the things continuously, but in the classifying term we are just classifying. We are separating the Bholu's transaction in one side and the Somu's transaction in the another side. So that time we are understood how many transaction done with Somu and how many transaction done with Bholu. So this is very important. After that we are summarizing all the things. Okay, how to summarize? Now I'm not saying, because this is very tough to understand for you, because this is your first class. After that after taking 2 or 3 class you will be better understand about the summarizing. After classifying we are summarizing all the things, like we are using trial balance. Okay, because in summarizing the trial balance will prepare to know the accuracy of the mathematical accuracy. Okay, next, interpretation of the result. How to interpretation of the result? We will prepare a financial statement and we get a result of the business. So we are interpreting this year our business is take our business is earned a profit or not. Okay, and why our business earned a loss, get a loss. So these types of things we are interpreting. and after that we are communication. uh, Communication, it means we are communicating all the things, we get a result. So after that we are communication communicate with the partners, with the financial person, and with the investor, what is about our business. Okay, so this is the characteristic of the accounting. First is a accounting is an art as well as science. Okay, art because of this is very creative and judgmental, and the science based on principles and rule. Second character is the recording in terms of money. Always in accounting we record all the things in a term of money. And third is a classification. Fourth is a summarizing. Fifth is a interpretation of the result, and last is a communication. Okay, if you want to know about more things in explanation way, so let me know in the comment section. I will explain more about this. Thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe.